Hi guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. In this video we're going to talk about how to lock Facebook profile. So hop onto Facebook. So in the latest update of Facebook, Facebook made it quite impossible to lock your Facebook profile, and that means that you can't see any photos or posts, but there are a few ways around. So let's try if that works for you. Because in a few countries you can't lock your profile, and in other countries you can. So let's go to settings over here, and let's just scroll down. And actually, what you want to see here, you have like audience and visibility. You want to see here lock between. As you can see, I don't have that. Also over here it doesn't say lock, which means I can't lock my Facebook profile through this. I can also click on blocking, but you can't see anything. So that's a bummer. But the next thing we're gonna do is try to get another roundabout about it. So let's go click on language and region. And it says the language to change. So what you're going to do is you change your language, what is in English. You're going to turn it to Indonesian, because then Facebook will think we're in Indonesia right now. And in that country, you can lock your Facebook profile. So that's the second way to do it. I hope this helps. I hope it works. If not, please let me know. I would love to hear back from you. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. In this video we're going to talk about how to lock Facebook profile.